Hello, it is Saturday, June 8th, and we are here at the R&R Renovation Project here in beautiful Boerne, Texas, and it is a absolutely glorious day. And we are about a month into the project and have gotten through with demo, the new framing, and the utilities have all been rerun through here with electric, plumbing, brand new HVAC, tankless hot water heaters, 2 laundry rooms. It's just awesome. Anyway, so I wanted to walk through and just show you what we've been working on. And nice to know what's in the walls too once they get covered up. So we're coming in through the garage. Here we have a utility room, which is where the main water shutoff is. And then over to the left is a 5th bedroom and with a closet and a little study nook over here with TV cable up above for gaming or TV or computer, internet, and then going through across the hall here. This was a bedroom before, we made it bigger, and then this is the bathroom with a stand-up shower and toilet and vanity. And that window there goes out to the backyard. And then we're going to go up here into the brand new open area. This whole area that you're looking at right now used to be the pantry. And we've opened it up so we have a family room, which is vaulted, beautiful wood. And then this new wall here, which used to be access to some bedrooms closets. And there's Tony. Going over here to the kitchen. So the kitchen cabinets, the island on the ground is going to be built in place there with all granite countertops, new hardware on the doors, ice maker, trash compactor. It's going to look pretty beautiful. Got amazing pendant lights coming in. And then this right here would be like a dining room area opening up to the family room. And then we'll come down the hallway here. You see the everything, the HVAC and everything all got put upstairs so that that area is freed up down here for the extra square footage. So this is the living room area, pantry, right here where the electrical wire is, where the owner wants to put a bar area. And then going through here is the new hallway. And to the right is going to be cabinets for storage, and then we've got washer and dryer in here. Basically a whole nother area because we've got 2 washer and dryer rooms that the kids have their own area, mom, dad have their area. Walking down the hallway, 1st bedroom here, and hard to imagine it with the walls, but they're there. And so we're going to do bed, desk unit, closet over here. Walking down the hallway here to a 2nd bedroom with a closet in the back. Girls' bathroom, 5-foot shower and toilet, and then a 5-foot vanity with lots of lighting. And then to the technically 2nd master, because it does have a full closet in the bathroom with it. So there's the closet. There's Tony working on the rebar tiles. Because we're at a concrete slab, we had to go through the concrete to be able to replumb all the different changes. So the front of the house, beautiful windows, coming all the way across. And we walk down here to the master. Oops, sorry. Guest half bath right here with the closet. And then we're walking into the master. So from the perspective over here, we've got the bedroom, and then walking in, sliding door here, going into the bathroom, got an 8-foot vanity going across the back wall there, and then to the coat room, door on there, and then a walk-in shower, no glass, tile surround. The window in there is going to be glass block, waterproof. And then there's going to be a bench to the left, an amazing faucet going there. And then the great thing here is this closet. And you have to get a perspective here for how big this thing is. It's definitely 13 feet wide, but we've got an amazing closet system that we're going to be putting in here, going all the way around. And then this back room here, we will see, will be left open, but we're going to make that like a shoe and boot room and hat room. So it'll be multiple tighter shelves, you know, so it can maximize storage, with a sitting bench in the middle. And over here is another washer and dryer going to the outside, so it's far away from the bedroom. And then right there is plumbing for the one of 2 tankless hot water heaters that we're putting in, which is so awesome. And so perspective this way is awesome. Just one continuous run through here. But gigantic closet, super exciting. We're going to do a center island here with drawers, customize some built-ins and things like that in there. Probably a chandelier light would be totally cool if that's what the owner wants. And then we'll just go back up here. The greatest thing about this place is just the land. The land is remarkable. So, piece of heaven right here, just forever. And then eventually we'll get to do some really cool things with the outside, or the owners will, depends on lots of stuff. But right now it's getting them back in the house because they've had to relocate for the remodel. But if you can take in this beautiful land, it is just glorious. Walk over here. They've got horses. They've got a donkey that absolutely cracks me up. And it goes just forever down that hill over there. And this is our casita that we're building for them. And these are 2 full-on apartments. And they are for 2 of their adult college-age children. So they'll be flip-flopped with basically a big studio, bedroom, living room, kitchenette, and bathroom, and beautiful views. Hold on, let me do the loop around here. So imagine waking up to that. Wow, it's beautiful. So we've got all windows in the front that aren't cut out yet. They're just cut out for the doors right now. And then we'll do a common porch in the front to be able to utilize that porch space between the 2 places. So we're super excited. So here's the back of the house. And sky's the limit here to do some crazy things. But anyway, Tony's mixing concrete for us to be able to pour in the trenches that were cut out. And that's it.